What makes Indian football so unique? We believe it's the people and their stories. Stories of incredible potential, undeniable grit, and passion for the sport. Hi, my name is Pranay Singh, and this is Traveler's Guide to Indian Football. We are traveling across the country to explore Indian football and its element at every level. From local football, grassroots programs, women's football, I-League, ISL, and everything in between. This is our football, and these are our stories. Welcome to TGIF.
When you think of India, you shouldn't think of it as a homogeneous entity. It is a collection of different states with different cultures, different ways of society, different ways of looking at sport. At every turn, you realize that, football is now the number one sport in India. But that's part of the excitement. That's part of the charm of following Indian football. In Calcutta, for instance, you're born a Mohun Bagan fan, you're born an East Bengal fan, you're born a Mohammedan sporting fan. There's no choice there. You're born into football. When you move down to Kerala, it's only recently that Kerala had one club that they can all support. You can see that appeal in the Kerala Blasters. You can see that appeal with... When Kallu Stadium starts bouncing, the concrete starts bouncing. It's scary, but it's brilliant. In Goa, again, you can see that they love their football. They love their football, their beaches or the paddy fields, and they love their teams. Now they have one club in terms of FC Goa to support. The Kashmir, again, has always loved its football, but has not had representation till a real Kashmir came through in the I-League.
Mumbai is Kashmiri, you are Kashmiri. We love you as a Kashmiri.
Madhya Pradesh has loved its football. Madhya Pradesh footballer plays in Croatia. You wouldn't know that. Her name is Jyoti Chauhan. She went and played in Croatia because she wanted to play. It's not because the state or the ecosystem supports a footballer. The Northeast is where India's football soul is right now. It's where India gets footballers from. It's where everybody loves their football. Punjab sport is a big thing. When you're talking about Punjab, you're talking about Indian sport. Because you follow any sport at any level, there's a Punjabi in there somewhere.
It's the land of warriors, it's the land of farmers. And when you come here, you'll see that when you have these houses, instead of water tanks, the water tanks will be there, but they'll be shaped as footballs. So either they'll be planes, so planes are NRI, tank is that means in the Air Force or in the Army, and otherwise it's a football.
Punjab traditionally has produced a number of athletes for India in terms of representing them across, be it the Olympics, the Asian Games. One's got to do with the physique, because obviously the Punjabis sort of stand out in one way. Traditionally, they've been involved in wrestling, kabaddi, hockey, etc.
From Punjab, I would say the genes play a big part. When I talk about the genes, I'm not just talking about the physical build of the guys. I'm talking about the mentality and attitude of the guys. Number one, Punjabis don't think. And that's a great attitude to have when you get over losses or you get over a bad day in football.
Punjab looks at sport in a very, very serious manner. They look at it as a means of occupation. It is a respectable profession. Punjab, you have to compete with the cricket, you have to compete with wrestling, you have to compete with kabaddi. There are so many hockey. Punjab as a state believes in sport as an institution, and that I feel comes across in its sports people.
The entire philosophy of the Punjab warrior culture, that ethos of never saying die and never giving up, and no matter what, second place is like death for us. That ethos coming in sports as well.
This is no disrespect to other states, but I would never say that Punjab will give you the best midfielder or the best winger. We can give you the best strikers, the best goalkeepers, the best centre backs just because of their build. We can develop midfielders, we can develop our wingers, but here the basic structure of a goalkeeper and a centre back you will find in 80% of the boys. So that is a huge advantage Punjab has.
Punjab is the home of some of India's best sporting talent, and especially for football. So, where did it begin? Let's rewind a little. The story of football in Punjab comes alive with an inspirational athlete, not just for the state, but for Indian football in general. A colossus of Indian football's golden era, we are talking about Jarnail Singh. And who better to pay tribute to him other than Sukhvinder Singh, one of the most respected and successful Indian football coaches of all time. Sukhi sir tells us more about his hero and mentor, the great Jarnail Singh.
64 में एशिया कप इजराइल में हुआ, तो उधर फीफा का प्रेसिडेंट भी आया हुआ था। उसमें पंजाब के 2 प्लेयरों को ऑनर मिली, एक इंदर सिंह को बेस्ट राइट आउट और जरनैल सिंह को उसने कमेंट दिए कि जरनैल सिंह इज द ओनली एशियन हु कैन प्ले एनी टीम इन द वर्ल्ड। वो प्लेयर का तो जो वो लेवल था वो टॉप वालों में थे। पाकिस्तान से आए थे जरनैल सिंह, 36 में उनका बर्थ था। तो इधर आके जहाँ उनको गांव में रहने को जगह मिली, वो वहाँ उसके फादर ने दिया कि ये लेटर उधर दे के आओ। साइकिल पे गए, रास्ते में जब वापस आ रहे हैं तो एक साइड में बच्चे फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं। वो कहते सुखी मेरे से रुका नहीं गया, ये नहीं बोला मैं फुटबॉल खेला, मैं फुटबॉल को पीटा। और कहते जब मैं घर में आ गया शाम को तो मैं टांग ऐसे उठाता था तो ऐसे रखता था। जो उसकी गेम में जो उसका दबदबा था, जो उसकी अंदर की शक्ति थी, वो हार नहीं बर्दाश्त करती थी। ये पहला इंडियन है एशियन ऑल स्टार टीम का कैप्टन बना। एशियन ऑल स्टार खेले गई हैं, हमारा परमिंदर भी, इंदर सिंह भी, पीके बैनर्जी, चुन्नी, यूसुफ खान, लेकिन कैप्टन एक ही बना है, जरनैल सिंह।
ये था जरनैल सिंह का इम्पैक्ट कि उनके ऊपर पंजाबी किताबें और गाने लिखे गए। His legacy has inspired Indian footballers of the past, present, and continues to inspire the future.
You have future players coming in from Punjab. You have a Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, who's played in Europe. You had Sandesh Jingan, who is the best defender in India right now, like an Anwar Ali, who completely changes the game, the way he looks at it, the way he plays it. Now you have Manisha Kalyan, who is creating history in Europe.
But who is Manisha Kalyan?
Manisha Kalyan, the player, is the kind of footballer fans come to the stadium to watch.
Manisha Kalyan, for the shot, goes for it. Oh my word!
100 मीटर मनीषा फास्ट, 200 मीटर मनीषा फास्ट, 400 मीटर मनीषा फास्ट, 800 मीटर मनीषा फास्ट।
This is Manisha. She's not happy. And off the ball challenge going on.
ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਨੀਸ਼ਾ ਤੂੰ ਦੌੜ ਲਾ, ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ ਪਰਸਨਲ ਗੇਮ ਹੋਊਗੀ। ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਫੁੱਟਬਾਲ ਖੇਲਣਾ।
She is the answer to every question about Indian football's potential. At the age of 21, she was India's Emerging Footballer of the Year. And by 23, Footballer of the Year. From Hoshiarpur to Europe, this Punjabi trailblazer has etched her name in history.
पर फ्रेंडली मैच था, ब्राजील की टीम आई हुई थी। उन्होंने कोचों ने कहा आप लोग डिफेंस करना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गोल, ये ना वो 15-20 गोल आपको दे दें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिफेंस करनी है आप लोगों ने, गोल नहीं होने देना। वो कोच को कहती उठ के सर मैं करूँगी। जब मैच हुआ पहला गोल तो उन्होंने कर दिया, दूसरा मनीषा ने कर दिया। जी जी जी, वो गोल इतना, वो भी इतना मशहूर हुआ। कहते हैं हमारी तरफ गोल कर दिया।
थैंक्स। काफी टाइम हो गया मम्मी डैडी को नहीं देखा मैंने, वही वीडियो कॉल्स पे ही देखना, बस ये सब लाइक देख के अच्छा लग रहा है।
There's the Brazilians already
getting deep into Indian territory. A cross.
अदिति चौहान थे, उन्होंने पंच किया बॉल को, वो बॉल इंदू के पास गई एंड इंदू उसने चिप किया एंड प्यारी ने मुझे हेडर दिया. लाइक मैं रन में थे, वो जो मूव था उस टाइम पे दिमाग में, मतलब ये चीज़ तो नहीं आई थी कि मुझे गोल स्पेस मिल रही है गोल के लिए. मैं बस बॉल लेके जा रही थी एंड सडनली मतलब आई सॉ द गोलकीपर पोजीशन, तो वो काफ़ी मतलब फ्रंट पोस्ट पे थे, तो स्पेस था वहाँ पे कि मैं शॉट ले सकती हूँ, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो अंदर ही जाने वाला था. तो मैंने रिस्क लेके बस ले लिया. मैंने बोला क्योंकि वैसे भी मुझे कोई ऑप्शन दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था मेरे साइड में. आई जस्ट टुक अ शॉट एंड वो गोल हो गया एंड आई फील सो गुड दैट टाइम कि ब्राज़ील की तरफ गोल किया है एंड स्कोर भी 1-1 ड्रॉ हो गया था. और वो जो मोटिवेशन मिली थी ना वहाँ से कि देख लेंगे इनको, अब आने दो फिर से.
What an equalizer! What a reply from the ladies from India. Very, very good counterattack. No chance for Leticia. Definitely deserves to celebrate. And celebrating she is. That is Manisha.
The footballer who takes you off the seat, gets your bum off the seat, is a footballer who takes on people, who dribbles past people, who attacks goal from the get-go. And that's what Manisha Kalyan does.
मनीषा कल्याण बहुत अच्छा खेलती है और अभी भी अच्छा खेल रही है. फॉरेन में भी गया है, उसको देख के मैं भी जाना है बोल के मैं भी गया है.
Whether she's playing right wing, striker, left back, left wing, it doesn't matter. She goes at people, she attacks people, and she has an X factor that people want to watch. That mercurial ability to create something when possibly there's nothing.
एक दो तीन उनके खास गुण थे. एक तो वो था रेगुलरिटी, चाहे ठंड हो गर्मी हो, जो रेगुलर हो उसने क्लास में भी आना और प्रैक्टिस सेशन में वो भी जाना.
So I believe in sport representation matters. Now, that can be at any level, but for a woman footballer growing up in India, there are already obstacles that you have to overcome in terms of society saying, people will be asking, why is a girl playing with the boys? Why is a girl playing boys' games?
Manisha's success in Europe goes beyond records. It's changing the way we look at women's football in India. She's paving a path for countless young girls, already breaking barriers every season.
So there are primary obstacles that a woman footballer has to overcome. But when they see somebody competing, and not just at an Indian level, at a European level, and people are being like, oh my gosh, she's in Europe, she's creating history, that representation matters big time. And it's very important that Manisha is successful there. It's not that she went there and she came back because the football is too fast for her, or the football is too tactical for her, nothing like that. She's adapted to football in Cyprus.
She's really trailblazing a path that, looking back, is going to be one of the defining moments, I think, in Indian women's football overall, because that's going to create an opportunity for us to train young girls with the goal ki, see, you're going to go there and play. And that will also be enhanced by backing from administrators here and their clubs. Just want to put in your blood, sweat and tears for these women, because as you can see, they're delivering results already.
Oh my God, she has made us so very proud. Not as a Punjabi, as an Indian. She has done something which we all wanted an Indian to do. And it should be celebrated like an Indian male has done it. Because she's gone and scored in the Champions League. So it's sad that it's not being celebrated the same way. Whereas in the US, it would have been. And look where they are in the world.
I think जो होशियारपुर से मेरी लिमासोल साइप्रस तक की जर्नी थी, I think कुछ लोग सोचेंगे कि फ्लुक में मिल गया है, but I feel कि मैंने इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क किया है, बहुत सारे सेक्रीफाइसेस किए हैं मैंने इसके लिए. मैंने यंग एज में मतलब काफ़ी सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज देखी है, घर से लेके फाइनेंशियली, मेरे जो सोसाइटी थी उनसे बहुत चीज़ें फेस की है. एंड वो सब होने के बाद मैं अभी यहाँ पे हूँ एंड आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग कि आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड मेरा फर्स्ट गोल तो यही है कि मतलब मुझे अपनी नेशनल टीम के साथ वर्ल्ड कप खेलना है एक बार तो।
I've been saying this right from the very beginning, that the Indian women can get to the World Cup much, much faster than the men. And that's despite and in spite of zero support being given to them. So imagine what happens if you start supporting them. Look at the number of girls already playing in the Champions League or in European football.
It feels good कि आपको कोई फॉलो कर रहा है, आपको कोई देख रहा है एंड बट अभी मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने अभी इतना कुछ तो नहीं किया है, बट स्टिल लाइक आई एम ऑन प्रोसेस। बट आई फील कि मतलब एक जो पैशन होता है ना मतलब बच्चे के अंदर कि अगर वो फुटबॉल खेलना चाहता है तो उसको रोकना नहीं चाहिए, करने देना चाहिए।
Working hard but we never had a breath. On to the next.
What makes Punjab India's sporting powerhouse? From local pinks to urban cities. The culture encourages competition, and the competition breeds champions. This culture gives rise to competition. Competition that develops young talents into professionals. And all this comes together in thriving grassroots setups across the state.
We have three main pillars in our club: our first team, our youth academy, and our development centers in Punjab. We have until now 16 development centers across Punjab because in the future we would like to feed our academy with Punjab players. We have Abhishek, Ayush, Kipjen, Pramveer, Maheson, Suhil, Sami. We have a lot of players in the first team from our academy.
हमारा शुरू से स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत डीप रूट्स है। हॉकी में हमारी बहुत अच्छी टीम थी। हम चाहते हैं कि फुटबॉल में भी हमारी वैसे टीम हो, हम पंजाब के मैक्सिमम लड़कों को डेवलप कर सकें। इधर ग्रास रूट से छोटी एज से बच्चे खेलते हैं।
In fact, I would say the local football tournaments in Punjab are bigger than the first organized state league. That means the senior state league which happens. And the senior state league in Punjab is bigger than all the I-League matches that happen in Punjab. So that means the local interest in football is absolutely at the maximum.
ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਹਰ ਮਨਾ ਤਾੜੀ ਮਾਰੋ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਇੱਕ ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਦਾ ਜੇਤੂ ਖਿਡਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਆ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਕਰਾਈ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦਸੂਏ ਦੇ ਲਾਗਿਓ ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਪਲੈਂਡਰ ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਜਿੱਤਿਆ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰੋ।
But more than that, what is the best thing is the live running commentary which you find throughout the match in Punjabi, and half the time people are just laughing and falling over with the comments made. The prize money of these tournaments is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs.
They will give prizes like bike, LCDs and ACs and all.
ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਦਾਅਵੇਦਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ 골ਡ ਰਿੰਗ ਤੇ 32 ਇੰਚ ਦੀ LED ਜਿਹਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਉਂਗਲ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੀ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ ਪਵੇਗੀ। ਅੱਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੈਅ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੇ ਆ, ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਤੈਅ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੇ ਆ।
People are coming in numbers, 5,000 people. I played here 10,000 people.
I mean, if we are able to get 10,000 people, 7,000 people, 6,000 people watching a village match, imagine if we do it well, what we can do for our national league.
The Gothia Cup in Sweden is often called the Youth World Cup. And for good reason. Zlatan Ibrahimovic lifted this trophy. So did Xabi Alonso and Andrea Pirlo. But in 2023, for the first time in this tournament's history, the headlines belong to an Indian academy, Minerva Punjab.
middle. And here's another chance. A great save from the goalkeeper. Could it be another shot here while the goalkeeper is out of the goal? Takes a safer route. The attack keeps going. Great chance for a third goal there. Gets by, very well done. Gonna get a cutback here, he does. And here's a third goal! And it's the second one from number 7, Thiam, who scored in the first minute of the match. Not a shot, not a single shot. Here's a corner for the Indians, and there's another goal! Wow, it's a beauty, it's a beautiful corner kick. It's absolutely stunning. Gracias por
We had 3,500 Indians in the final day. The total population of Indians in Gothenburg, 4,200. And what happened to us before and after the match? We got invitations from at least 100 different people. These boys were showered with gifts. Why? Because they said, you made us so proud. You know, these old men, he says, I started when I came to Sweden, Gothenburg. I was security guard at this Gothia Cup. And my Indian boys used to come and lose 10-0, 20-0, 15-0. This time also some teams went and lost the same. This is the first team I've seen Indians dominate. They were old Bengali men on the sideline crying because of what they saw.
I watched the game yesterday. I got surprised how good this team was. Really good.
You watched the match?
Yeah, we watched you.
How was it?
It was great. You are the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
So the whole point of taking them abroad every year and why it's important is to judge us against the best in the world. We may lose, so this might not happen again and again, but we'll know where we stand and how much we go up or down.
देखो हम जनवरी से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं इसके लिए पर सुबह कितने बजे उठो तुम लोग 3 बजे उठाता है और 4:30 में सागर सर के साथ जिम करता है और इसके बाद रेस्ट करता है और 3 बजे शाम को इवनिंग का 3 बजे फिर सेशन करता है इन अ डे ट्वाइस यार हाइड्रेशन में भी 2 आता है 3 आता है बहुत मुश्किल है यार प्लेयर का कैरियर
I prepared for that tournament more than any tournament I've ever prepared for in my life. By far. And that's why we went and dominated every team. My aim is to be better than what I was yesterday on a daily basis. So in 10 years, this is the world's best academy. I would not say any talent produced by me is my best talent because they're still not world class. I will rest the day we have 10 Indians playing in the Champions League.
There's an army, so keep fighting. I see a fire in you and it's shining.
It's almost kickoff here in Delhi. It's the return of football in North. It's Punjab FC versus Northeast United in the ISL. While there are teams currently representing Punjab in top-flight football, history remembers the one team from Phagwara that dominated throughout the 90s. Jagatjeet Cotton and Textile Football Club. Guided by the Dhyan Chand award-winning genius, Sukhi sir.
I'm talking about 96, 7, 8. You had Carlton Chapman, Joe Pollincherry, Baichung Bhutia, I M Vijayan, Renedy Singh. And I did not even naming the foreigners. Even the foreigners were even greater than that.
On to Tajinder. Tajinder on to Bernard. Bernard moving on. Bernard, a lovely shot. And well, he missed it by a winger. Oh, what? It is a goal. Yes, it is a goal. It went through the net.
JCT was, I think, one of the best teams when professional football started with I-League. There were a lot of all-stars were in JCT, and the owner, Mr. Samir Thapar, was very passionate about football. I think the entire success obviously has to go to Sukhi sir, because the things he managed to keep the team motivated and get the results.
वो एक साउथ का वो विजय ने मेरे को नाम भी बताया था जर्नलिस्ट का. उसने पूछा आप क्या क्या खेल रहे हैं, तो हमने बोला जो कालीकट है, कोटयाम है, एक गोवा है, फिर फेडरेशन कप है कलकत्ता में. तो उसने बोला ओ यू आर गोइंग बैक विद टू मैनी ट्रॉफीज, ऐसा उसने बोला. और हम 3 ट्रॉफी के साथ गए बात पंजाब. अभी मेरे को जितने नाइजीरिया के 5-6 टॉप प्लेयर हैं डैडी बोलते हैं.
Legendary. If we talk about Sukhi sir, he is a stalwart of Punjabi football, in fact of Indian football, club and the national team. Because the results he's given with the national team, no coach could repeat. The results he's given with JCT Punjab, nobody could. The domination they had, no one could repeat that.
Great person, fantastic person, wonderful as a human being.
मैं 92 में फिर मेरे को कोच बना दिया गया, तो गॉड ब्लेसिंग से ऐसा हुआ कि फिर जो नया बैच आया पंजाब का वो भी टैलेंटेड था. तो उसके ऊपर हमने 3 महीने काम किया. तो पहला ड्यूरेंट कप खेलने गए, तो उस टाइम फिर वो कलकत्ता का तो डोमिनेशन पहले से भी था, उस टाइम भी था. तो उस टाइम हमने पहला मैच ईस्ट बंगाल से खेला, 4-2 से ईस्ट बंगाल को जीते. फिर लीग में दूसरा मैच मोहम्मदन के साथ था, उसको जीते. सेमीफाइनल को मोहन बगान को जीते. फिर फाइनल में फिर मोहम्मदन को जीते. तो वो हिस्ट्री थी कि कलकत्ता की टीमों को 4 बार एक टूर्नामेंट में हरा दिया जाए. उसके बाद फिर बड़ा पेपरों ने भी बहुत बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया. ऐसा हेडिंग आए, न्यू लिक JCT shows the way.
JCT showed the way indeed. Sukhi sir didn't just build a team, he built a legacy. And when he took over the Indian national team, he didn't just silence his critics, but turned them into his fans.
In the year 2000, India came here into the UK to play against Bangladesh and 2 English clubs, Fulham and West Brom. I think I first heard about it because I saw a picture of the head coach, Sukhi sir. And obviously being the Sardar and the Punjabi, that immediately caught my attention. They played here against Fulham, Craven Cottage here in London, and they lost 2-0 from what I recall. One of the things that really struck me at the time was at least India didn't get thrashed.
We had good support in West Bromwich Albion. I think that's where a lot of Indian community is there. We had almost full stadium. The Indian fans in England were very, very surprised to see the standard of Indian football.
उसके लिए मैंने क्या बोला था, अभी तक अच्छे रिजल्ट आए हैं ना, वो आपके क्रिटिक्स हैं. जो आपके क्रिटिक्स हैं ना, उनका मुंह मैंने गाली दे के बोला था, उनका अपने मुंह बंद कर दिया है. लेकिन अब माय डियर, आपके फैन उससे सेटिस्फाई नहीं होने वाले. अब हमने जीतना है. ये बात वो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में लिखी हुई है और बैचों ने भी बोला. तो पहले से उनको प्रिपेयर किया हुआ था और फिर उसके ऊपर काम किया हुआ था. थ्रो इन के ऊपर तो गोल कर दिया हमने.
الدقيقة رقم 71 من أحداث المباراة ككل. فيجن محاولة خطيرة حطها جول.
यूएई को जो बेंगलोर में हमने जीता, वो कोई फ्लूक नहीं था. वो हम उसके लिए प्रिपेयर हुए थे, खेले थे, जीते थे और उनको कुछ नहीं करने दिया था. वो जोपाल को भी बहुत ग्रेट प्लेयर मानते हैं और उसने उसके पास जो फाइटिंग स्पिरिट है, जो है जी, कहाँ से भी जाके क्या कर सकता है. वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाइंग में ब्रुनेई में हम गए हुए तो मैच ड्रा फंस गया था. तो इसने कहाँ से आके किधर से आके बीच में गोल कर गया.
دافع قوي في الشوط الثاني. محاولات حاول تسديد قوي. جول. هدف جميل. هدف في الجهة اليمنى وتمركز جيد للمنتخب اليمني. جول. هدف مفاجئ ومباغت للمنتخب الهندي.
There's one day that I never forget and remember it quite often is the first time I played for my country, man. They were unbelievable.
सील छेत्री बहुत अभी तो उसकी जो मैं प्रेज कर रहा हूँ को बात बनती नहीं. उसने everybody knows, he shows what he is, है जी.
Sukhi sir, my first national team coach. In the morning he came to me and he's like, "You're going to start." I can't tell you how I was feeling, man. I took my jersey
इतना लॉन्ग लाइफ खेला है और अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को मेंटेन रखा है.
So that day, everything that happened, once he told me from breakfast to lunch and to the game and to my first goal in my debut, conceding late 8th minute.
जो रियल प्रोफेशनल होता है ना, उसमें वो क्वालिटी है.
That day is probably that I'll never ever forget, and is one of the best days of my national team journey.
बाकी मैं किसी प्लेयर से कंपैरिजन नहीं करता है जी. बैचुंग विजयन बहुत टॉप क्लास प्लेयर हुए हैं, लेकिन उसमें प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट ज़्यादा थी.
Almost time to rejoice for Ketan Singh and company. There's Sukhvinder.
एक डॉक्टर है ना, शहर में 2-3 होते हैं जिसका रेपुटेशन बन जाता है. तो कोच भी ऐसे काम कर लें कि उनका वो रेपुटेशन बन जाए कि अगर बीमार होता है तो जाओ उसके पास. ऐसा गॉड ग्रेस वो ऐसा मेरा बन गया था.
That run of results in 2001 still remains the closest we have got to the FIFA World Cup. 20 years on, the wait still continues for Indian football fans. What also hasn't changed in 2 decades is the love for football among Punjabis. Punjab are back at the top tier of Indian football, and that means a lot to the people.
We are the only club that have done this, to beat clubs from Premier League. We believe on these players. We believe in our coaches. We can prove that the Indian team, especially Punjab FC, the potential of the players and the teams as well, they have very, very high standard, and we can win any team.
Whatever region you're part of, try to find the team of that region, right? Go start supporting them. One more thing I would say is, in Indian football at least, the women's team is reaching the stage where with just a little bit of support, they're going to explode. We've seen that explosion take place in the likes of USA, North America, South America, and even Europe. And we're hoping that we're next.
फैंस की इंटेंसिटी तो आप कल को आके देखिए हमारा मैच, आके एक्सपीरियंस करें, आपको देखने में पता चलेगा.
इंडियन फुटबॉल भाई अगली सुपर पावर है हमारी.
हम लोग इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते जब ये पूरे का पूरा देश फुटबॉल के अंदर घुस जाएगा ना, तब कितने क्रेजी हुआ करेंगे सीन्स जब भी हम फुटबॉल मैचेस अटेंड करेंगे.
And you know, being a Delhiite, after like 6 to 7 years, ISL is back to Delhi. So we are focusing more on, you know, like we are so much excited that finally it's back and Rounders Punjab moment is. So, you know, let's go.
My first stadium that I'm visiting to, and the atmosphere is really great. But जिसने ISL का मैच नहीं देखा, I would request everyone to come to the stadium. It's jam-packed and it's fun to watch for.
I would say in Indian football context, मेरा first match was under 17 World Cup यहीं पे इसी stadium में, when 50,000 people showed up. That was a wow moment की भाव. Like मैंने पहली बार as witness proper the grass, सब कुछ अच्छी तरह. It was crazy for बहुत overwhelming experience.
Football is unique across the world. It depends on where you grow up. The reasons you love football can change. And once you're into the sport, once you get into the intricacies of the sport, you fall in love with it. There's no escape. You don't really get out of it.
So, what do you get when you take a sporting state with a mythical pioneer, a plethora of elite talent, a trailblazing superstar, a pipeline for Indian football's future? You get a one-of-a-kind football culture. You get Punjab.
This is the Traveller's Guide to Indian Football. Let's go!
I'm just emotional.
बस एक मिनट
मेरी आंखों में
You can drop it also. जैसे वो पहले वाले ग्रुप में. Yes, exactly.
Lost my voice.